Hello everyone, welcome back to Follow the Empress, and this is our very last episode of our New Zealand series. We are checking out from our beautiful stay at Lake Tekapo, and now we have a long drive towards Queenstown, and on the way we will show you different towns and views.
Let's go.
And on our way to Wanaka, out of all the many stops, finally the mighty has emerged. We can see the summit, the Mount Cook from here. Like literally yesterday, if you have watched our previous video, you would know how lovely the drive towards Mount Cook is, but the weather was not favorable for us. Today, while driving, it's the best day. Today, it's clear, crisp, clear sceneries, and Mount Cook has actually 3 summits. So 1, 2, 3, the highest one is named as Mount Cook. And as per the Maori culture, actually, even if you climb the entire mountain, nobody is allowed to stand on the peak because they consider it as very sacred spot.
So now we are going towards Wanaka. Let's see what we can see there. Drive is very scenic. The weather is very nice.
And Wanaka, it's like a mountainous town, and in the end we will stay in Queenstown, and there is a famous burger point which all of our friends have recommended. So I'm really looking forward to try that for snacks in the evening. So we have stopped again at the same viewpoint where we stopped while going towards Lake Tekapo. So that day the weather was totally different. Today it was very much nice. That's the summit of the Lindis Pass. This is an entire valley of this tussocks, bushes, and it's covered the mountains. It's totally a different landscape on a barren mountain. All the bushes are like, round balls. It looks amazing. And on that side, we can walk for 200 meters to see the entire valley of Lindis Pass. So let's go.
So we climbed 200 meters and we are so unhealthy that we are not able to breathe properly. Yeah, anyway, this is Lindis Pass viewpoint. This viewpoint is breathtaking. Everywhere I can see mountains covered with all these tussocks. It's like wallpaper.
It's really breathtaking.
Yeah. Breathtaking. Yeah.
We took a small detour while going to Queenstown. This is Wanaka. This is a resort mountain village. Kind of totally we are feeling the vibe of Banff here. It's the mountains, the Southern Alps, and this is actually Mount Aspiring National Park. And this is the Wanaka Lake. And right now, as it's spring, we can see some cherry blossoms on the way. It's a beautiful mountain town. There are so many restaurants and cute little gift shops. This has also different, I think, motels and cottages. So this is a good place to stay as well.
So regarding money, so in New Zealand mostly we are using our debit card and credit card. It is much easier to do that. You don't need cash. But I still needed cash for my souvenir. So we withdrew $20, 20 New Zealand dollars. This is exactly looking same like we have in Canada. So you can just withdraw your money and there is no extra charge in the ATM. I just withdrawn from my ATM. There is no extra charge, no fees, ATM fees. So it's much easier. Go with credit card, debit card, or use your money.
The water is crystal clear here at Lake Wanaka. And look at these cute little ducks. Puzzling world of Wanaka. So just while going towards the town, we saw this tilted house, so we knew that we have to had a stop while coming back. And also we have seen this picture of this house, one of our friends who recently visited New Zealand.
Coming from Wanaka to Arrowtown, the drive was scenic, but it was too dangerous. I was literally climbing down the mountain.
There were numerous hairpin bends and the speed limit was between 15 to 35. Like it was that slow because we literally climbed down a mountain, like drove down a mountain.
Yeah. So anyway, now we are in Arrowtown. So this Arrowtown is famous for gold. There is a river called Arrow River. So people back in the days, they found gold in the river. From there, they got the gold and they started living here. And they are earning so much money.
So it's like a mining town. Back in the days, European settlements started here, and right now it's like there are many gold reserves. You can take gold mining tours as well. And it's a small little town known as one of the most beautiful town in New Zealand. When we were driving down, the view was so amazing. But yeah, he drove. So I took the scenic route.
Yeah. Anyway, let's see that Arrow River. We might get some gold. Let's go. No, there is no gold. It's not gold, it's gold.
Room 2. So we have checked in at Hearland Hotel in Queenstown, and this looks lovely. We have car parked right outside our door. This is the washroom where he is standing. Let's switch places. This is the washroom, a pretty clean and decent size with a bathtub cum shower area. And here is a huge mirror. Here is a huge mirror again. We have some storage places, and then as we go that side, this is our chalet king room. This is a one of a kind. We for the very first time will be staying in this kind of room, and it looks amazing. Comfortable king size bed. Here is a huge, oh, this is not that bumpy as I expected. It's a huge place to sit and to keep stuffs. Here we have a fridge, some amenities, and there is no kitchen in this room. Here we have a TV, a work desk, patio chairs inside as well as outside. Here we have the heater. It's actually pretty warm here. And then as we go outside, patio all to ourselves. And this amazing view of Southern Alps. Like we can see half of Queenstown on this side, and the lake, a church, and the mountains. And all this, we are staying here just for a night. Koto?
130.
This is $130 US.
So in Queenstown, they have gondola ride on top of that mountain. Not sure what is the price, but anyway, we are not doing. We are leaving tomorrow. Currently, we are going for laundry. Let's go see how much they are charged in New Zealand.
What are the chances to see cherry blossom twice in 1 year? We saw cherry blossom in Toronto this year in April, and right now it's spring here in the southern hemisphere. So you're again seeing cherry blossom in New Zealand. And the most scenic Starbucks is here.
$2 for detergent, $6 washing, $6 drying.
So we are now standing in a queue to the much famous Fergburger. Like everyone we know have asked us to have a burger from here, and I think everyone told the same to everyone. Like there's a long queue here, so we just get for laundry. We have 31 minutes, so I think we will use that time here. The price looks kind of expensive, so we will try one burger.
Yeah, the Fergburger.
The classic one, like whatever, I think that should be the best one. Either it will be very good or it will be tourist trap. So let's see. We'll give you the verdict. This Queenstown also is looking like Wap Town. I think all the mountain towns looks this pretty and cute everywhere in the world. And see the lineup here, the Fergburger. So we have ordered the Fergburger. The Fergburger. Actually, they should give the name, right? I'm copyrighting. But it doesn't come with fries. So as we took fries, and it costed us how much? 25.60 New Zealand dollars, and it's a 15 minutes wait, so we are waiting. Looks like Ferg is a rich man. Ferg has a bar, has a burger shop, has a bakery, and a gelato, like back to back. The smell is amazing. That's the size of the burger, like it's my face.
So now the moment of the truth. Let's see if this keeps up with the hype.
I think so, because smelling good.
Yeah. And they have given
the fries are
so much fries and big burger.
more.
That's Japanese restaurant, fancy one, named Goku. Dragon, yeah, dragon, ball, Z.
Too good. Beef is so perfectly cooked, it's so tender, and with the spices, onion, spinach, with the cheese, it's amazing. What the heck?
There are so many Indian restaurants. Bombay Palace, Taj Indian Kitchen, Mirch Masala.
Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end. We really hope you have enjoyed our New Zealand series.
We are going to miss New Zealand weather, their scenic beauties and everything. And end of this video, we will share all the details of how much we spent on this whole tour.
Yes. So do subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get further notification. Till then,
Follow them, friends.